Hey guys, welcome back to Bonsai Crazy's Roots and Rivers, and welcome to my special on this Cedar Deodora or Deodar. I've put some wire on it, and there's two trees in this pot, and I've decided I'm going to split them up. One I want to make into a literati, and the other one I want to just play about with, really. Put some bends in the trunk, so the trunk has got some bends in it, and just play about with it a little bit. I haven't put wire on all of it, and I'm not going to chop too much off either, because it's the wrong time of year to go around doing a lot of chopping. I will take a couple of branches off, but not many. I should be doing this in the early springtime or late winter. So any big trunk chops should be late winter, early spring, and any work really on these trees should be the same time. So it's height of summer now, so I'm not gonna chop too much off of it. It's just not worth the risk. But I am going to take a couple off because they're hiding what you can see, and they would never be used anyway. So I'm just going to take these off, give you a little bit of better of a view so you can actually see the trunk there now. One more down. So you can see that trunk line now. There's another one there that's coming facing in, and it's close to a big branch, so I'm going to chop that one off too. So as I'm turning this one into a literati, I decided that I was going to just put one wire on one branch and move that about in the way I want, and then the top part is going to be purely for as a feeder. It's going to feed the whole tree, feed the trunk, and feed everything for a couple of years, while this one takes over, and we get a lot of movement out of it and stuff like that. So let's have a look at this one there here now, and we'll have a little play with it. Just going to chop that off. And there we have it. Bend that out of the way. You can hopefully see that there's a lot of movement in that, and it should turn out to be a nice literati after it's grown up a few years. So that's that one done. So let's have a look at this other one now, and you can see I've got the wire on, and I haven't got the wire on all of it, so I'm just going to nip this one off. And give it a bend. I'll take this one off here as well. And this lower branch. We've got these 3 branches here just getting in the way. So I know I said I'm not going to chop too much off, and this is probably a bit more than I was going to chop off, but they're just not sitting right. So there we go, guys. There we have it. Just a little bit of fiddling about and a little bit of chopping, but not too much. And we're there. Like I say, this one's going to be a literati, and this one I'm not undecided. I've just played about with it for the sake of playing about with it and to see what happens. So, there you go, guys. There's my special done. My special video, even though it wasn't a special video, it was just called a special video because I like to call things special. And, well, that's it done. It's got a lot of growing. These are only proper saplings. They're only 3-4 years old. So like I say, this big top part is just going to grow and grow and grow and thicken up this tree while I develop this literati on the opposite side. This one here, I've just put some bends in it for the future, and hopefully it will bud back and we'll have some nice nice branching and a nice tree at the end of it. But I want that to be quite a big tree as well, so that's gonna have to do its work, and it's gonna have to do its work and grow the way I want it to. So as ever, guys, please like and subscribe, follow my craziness throughout the years, and I'll see you all next time. Ta-da.